Understanding 5G-Enabled Devices, an easy guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an exciting topic in the world of technology, 5G-enabled devices. If you're curious about what this term means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and demystify this concept together. To start, let's break down the phrase 5G-enabled device. The term 5G refers to the fifth generation of wireless communication technology. It's the latest and most advanced form of mobile network connectivity, following 4G. So, a 5G-enabled device is a gadget like a smartphone, tablet, or laptop that can connect to and use this 5G network. Now, you might wonder, why is 5G so significant? Compared to previous generations like 3G and 4G, 5G offers faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect many more devices at once. This means quicker internet browsing, faster downloads, and smoother streaming on your device. Let's look at some examples. Many of the latest smartphones and tablets are 5G enabled. This means they have the necessary hardware to connect to 5G networks. If you have a recent high-end smartphone, there's a good chance it's 5G enabled. However, not all devices are 5G capable, especially older models. Using a 5G-enabled device is straightforward. If you have one, ensure you're in an area with 5G coverage. Then, with a suitable data plan from your service provider, your device will automatically connect to 5G, letting you enjoy its benefits. Remember, without 5G coverage or the right plan, your device will default to 4G or 3G networks. That's all for our exploration of 5G-enabled devices. I hope this video has helped clarify what they are and why they're exciting in today's tech world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll dive into more interesting topics. Keep learning and stay curious.